Imagine taking a full year off YouTube, losing all your momentum, and then coming back with a dream of hit over 100,000 views. Sounds impossible, right? I thought so too, until it actually happened to me. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I rebuilt my channel step by step, how I restarted from almost zero, and how you can do the same, especially if you are over 40 and starting again with confidence. I am Asif Akash, and this is Travel Vista, the place where creator 40 and beyonds learn how to grow YouTube, build digital confidence, and turn real life experience into online success. If you are taking a break or feel stuck, this video is going to give you hope and a roadmap. Well, when I came back after a 1 year break, I was shocked. My channel used to get around 70 views per day, sometimes 100 on a good week. But after a year of silence, I was barely getting 10 views a day, some days even less, 4 and 5. The algorithm forgot me. My subscribers were not engaging. My old videos were collecting dust. And honestly, it felt like I was invisible. It felt like everything I would build had disappeared for a moment. I thought, is it even worth starting again? But then I changed my mindset. I told myself, you are not restarting from zero, you are restarting from experience. And instead of thinking about the past, I treated the comeback like a fresh launch, a new channel with new energy, new focus, and a new audience. Because here's the truth: many creators don't realize YouTube does not reward past activity, it rewards present momentum. Your next upload matters more than your last year of silence. And once you accept that, everything becomes easier. Step one: my first goal wasn't the get views, it was to wake up the algorithm. So here exactly what I did. I uploaded once a week, every week for 4 weeks straight. Even when the numbers were depressing, even when videos got 40 views, it did not matter. The goal was consistency, not perfection. I replied to every comment, every single one, even if it was nice video. Engagement brings visibility. I started posting in the community tab again, polls, questions, behind the scenes update. YouTube loves active creator. I shared my videos on LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, not for views, but for signals. External traffic shows YouTube that your content is worth recommending. And then something surprise happened within 30 days. YouTube started recommending my videos again, not massively, but enough to show me that consistency works. Lesson number one: consistency beats perfection every single time. The algorithm can't push content you don't upload. Step two: the next things I did was reinvent my entire channel. When you return after a long break, you need to signal to YouTube and to viewers, this channel is different now. So I updated everything, like new banner, new profile picture, new titles and new thumbnails, new niche clarity. Before, I was mixing travel, motivation, and random vlogs. But this time I made a clear decision. My focus is YouTube growth for creator over 40. Why? Because that's who I am. That's who I can serve. That's where my experience matter. When you show YouTube what you stand for, the algorithm finally knows whom to send your videos to. Your audience recognizes your audience recognizes you again. Your subscriber reconnect. Your channel find its identity. A comeback need clarity, and a clear niche is the fastest way to rebuild trust. Step three: one of the biggest lesson of my comeback journey was learning to trust data over ego. Earlier, I used to upload whatever felt right. I thought my ideas were good because I liked them. But when I analyzed my analytics after returning, I saw a completely different story. Some topics got viewers, some thumbnails got clicks, some videos had amazing watch time, some made people leave in 15 seconds. So I stopped guessing. I reviewed the highest watch time videos, highest CTR thumbnails, strongest retention curves, topics that brought new viewers, and I created more of those. That's how my videos went from 100 views to 1000 views, 1000 to 10,000 views, and 10,000 to 15, 20, and 25. And eventually, I'm targeting to reach 1000 views because I wasn't relying on hope. I was relying on evidence. YouTube rewards creators who pay attention. Data tells you exactly what to do if you are willing to listen. Step 4. If you are returning to YouTube after a long break, shorts are your best friends. Shorts brought my channel back to life. I treated every short like a tiny story, a piece of motivation, a quick YouTube tips, a lesson from my 20 plus years of real life experience, a behind the scene movement. Shorts helped me reach people who had never seen my long videos, people who did not even know I existed. Some shorts got a few hundred views, some got thousands. One of them pushed my channel back into the algorithm. Shorts break the ice. Shorts rebuilds momentum. Shorts reintroduce you to YouTube. And if you are over 40, your stories are your strengths. Use them. Now let's talk about mindset, because this is where most creator over 40 struggle. When you take a long break, it's easy to feel irrelevant, outdated, behind, discouraged. But here's what I learned. You are not starting from zero. You are starting from experience. Everything you have learned, your life, your failure, your wisdom, all of it makes you come back stronger. You don't need to compete with younger creator. You don't need to match their speed. You just need to be yourself consistently. Comeback are not about being fast. They are about being resilient. And the truth is, most people give up when growth slows. But if you stay patient, your second rise will be bigger than your first. If this comeback story inspired you, drop a comment saying come back 2025. Let's build a community of creators who refuse to quit after 40, creators who believe in second chances, creators who believe in reinvention. And make sure you don't miss next week video, how to grow YouTube channel with a full-time job. I'm going to break down a full system you can use to balance life, work, and content creation. So hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Your comeback starts right now. This is Asif Akash, and you are watching Travel Vista, the channel for YouTube growth and life success after 40. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Remember, breaks don't destroy creators, they reset them. Your story isn't over, your channel it isn't done, and your best videos are still ahead of you. I will see you in the next one.